Hi, Sally here, and I am going to do an unboxing or unpackaging. Lolly from Lolly Palooza reached out to me and wondered if I want to be on her newly formed design team to make some items that are in her Etsy shop. So I said I would love to, and she sent me this adorable package. If you know Lolly, you know she loves llamas. So I don't know where in the heck she found this, but it is so cute. So I'm very excited to see. I will tell you what it is when well, I'll show you what it is when it's open. So, very well packaged. Holy moly. It's very, very taped. Okay. I'll just see if I can slip it out. So, very well packaged. There's her cute sticker. Oh, okay. So, okay, so she put in her card. What I'm going to be making is this Graphic 45 square ivory tag album, and she also included the die for I believe that this die cuts out the paper to mat these, and then there's this really pretty clock. So I'm gonna open it and see. So these are pretty heavy cardstock weight, and I think there's 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I count that right? I guess there's more than I thought. Super. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 pages for the album. And let's take a peek at the die set. So let's take this off here and let me just see if, yep, I think that will, and it'll just leave just a little border around the outside of the tag, and so that will be awesome. Okay, and then this clock die is so pretty. So pretty. It's got all 3 hands, the hour, minute, and second hand, and then that just must be a little decorative piece to go in the middle, maybe? Doesn't show it on the sample. So I guess that's just a little decoration that you can put wherever. So I am excited. I have watched a lot of videos of people's ideas of how to make books with this tag album, and I'm not totally sure what I want to do, but I know when I make a mini album, the fun thing for me is interaction. So I definitely want to make like pockets and flips and surprises and fun things to do when you look through it. So I decided to use these papers. It's called Our Family. It's Cartabella, and I meant to check to see if you can still buy this anywhere. I got it at a Scrapbook Expo. I am not sure how long ago, but I just thought that the papers were so pretty, and I thought they would go well making this, and it comes with a lot of cut apart cards, which I thought would be fun to add to the book, and it also has this sticker sheet with some pretty borders and you know, some pretty elements, a lot more words, a lot of words, but I had an idea of, you know, just putting family photos in it. So I thought that would be fun. But there's 9. I thought there was 6. I have 6 kids, and so I thought I could do a page for each one of my kids, but I guess I could do 6 and then do something different for the extra 3. Make like a mini album. But anyway, I am super excited to get started on this, so keep your eyes out for videos in this process, and thank you to Lolly for sending me these things so I could try them out. I really appreciate it, and that about wraps it up. So if you are interested in either of these things, oh, let me get the ring here. It comes with a ring. They are available on Lolly's Etsy shop, which is, Lolly, where does it say? Oh, she didn't have that on her card. But anyway, her Etsy shop is Lolly Palooza Crafts, I believe. Because I just typed in Lolly Palooza and it didn't pull up. But on all her videos, she has a link to her Etsy shop, so you could just go there. But if you're interested in either of these items. So, thank you for watching and stay tuned.